Hello everyone, welcome to Vivo Dev Academy. And in this series, we were building a Flutter e-commerce application and PHP MySQL being used as the backend. So during the last couple of days, I was unable to upload the videos as I was quite busy in some of the very important works. And today I came back to upload the rest of the videos in this channel, but unfortunately, while opening our project in my emulator, I was unable to load the project properly. So while investigating the issue, I could find that the domain which is being used in this project, the domain has now been suspended since it is quite a long time, and I am unable to find the DNS records of this domain. So the thing which we have to do is to change the domain name, and for this, I will go to my control panel and I will use another domain as our for the project. But before we do the thing, we have to take the backup of our previous codes, and the previous domain which we have used is being stored in this control panel. So let me go to that control panel and download all the codes from the file manager. And along with the codes, I will also have to download the database as well. So let me at first download the source code and Control A, and we will archive the entire thing, and let me write it as source code final, and then I will archive it as a zip file. So I could see that the zip file has now been saved, and I will unselect all the files which have been selected earlier, and then I will click on download button so that I could download all the files and the folders as a zip. So now I have downloaded the zip file. The next thing which we have to do is to go to the database, and I have to copy the name of the database. I could also do the same thing if I just go to database.php, and inside database.php, I'll be able to check the name and the password for this database. So now I will go to phpMyAdmin so that I could enter the database management system. And let me copy the name of the database, and then I will paste the name here. And then I will also copy the password, and then I will paste the password over here. Now I will select database, and then I will click on export button, and then I will click on export, and boom, the download part has now been done. And now again, we will go to the new website or new domain name where we will be uploading the the project, and I will do it in a domain name called let me go to the domain name, just a moment, which is aboutasam.in. So I bought this domain some days earlier, I think a few months earlier, and which is being unused. So then I will go to the file manager, and I will create a new folder over here inside public_html. It is taking some time to load. I have to go to public_html, and then I'll be able to see several files and folders here, several folders here. I will then go to the left navigation bar, and I will then create a new folder, and the name will be like Flutter, Flutter_app. And then I will double click on it, the source code which I have downloaded from the previous server, then I will upload it over here. Till the source code gets uploaded, okay, it has already been uploaded. So now I will extract the entire files and folders which have been uploaded in this section. Now we could see that the files and folders have been arrived here, I will go to the front end about assam.in and then Flutter app or Flutter underscore app. I'll be able to see the login form here. And the last thing which we have to do is to go to our control panel and create a new database. In this control panel, I will create the new database as Flutter app. And I will also create a new password. Let me see the password and copy the password as well. I will then go to File Manager and double click on database.php. I will paste the password over here. And then I will also copy the database name and the database username and paste it over here. Now I will have to go to PHP My Admin. And then I will have to sign in with the details. But as we have logged into the database of the previous domain, so I will have to log out from here as we are using direct admin control panel in this case. And let me copy the password once again, paste the password over here, and let me also copy the username and let me paste the username over here. So now I will click on the database and then I will import the database from my local computer to this section. All right. Okay. If I just go to the table called users, I'll be able to see all the names here. So let me copy this domain email address and paste it over here. And if I just type the password as 123, and if I just click on login, I'll be able to see the login panel here. Now I will have to go to the this thing, what we will be calling as our IDE or the Android Studio. And then I will have to copy the domain name from this section and replace the domain name boopers.tk by about assam.in/flutter_app. I will have to check each and every pages. First, and then I will go to home page and I will check boopers.tk and again boopers.tk and again boopers.tk and again thing. Now I will also go to contact page and then I will also check the card page. I think we have one or two more, boopers.tk and again boopers.tk. And I will also check the checkout page for the previous URL. So we have the last one. Now I will save the project and then I will run the main.dart file and let me check. I'm able to check all the files and folders over here. Okay. So now if I just click on add to cart, I'll be able to see the cart page. And if I just click on checkout, I'll be able to see the details over here. So if I just write my name, like any name, Ravi Sharma, and the mobile number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then if I select the state, and then if I just go to the address and write the complete address here, and if I just click on submit button, let me click submit once again. And I think in the checkout page, I have not used the redirection. So let me go to the database and click on the main database. And if I just click on checkout, I can see the two records as Ravi Sharma, which means that here I am getting the response as true, okay, the successful message. But unfortunately, we have not used the redirection after the form gets completely submitted or the data gets completely inserted into the database. We haven't used the redirection to the thank you page. So the next thing which we have to do is to use the redirection once someone clicks on the submit button, and if the form gets submitted, he should be able to see a thank you message. So we will be doing the thank you screen in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel for further updates.